Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to create an event on the Google Calendar and also turn on automatic reminders, okay, like getting notification on your phone or email notification and so much more. So you can use this to remind your guests or your participants, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to show you how to create an event on the Google Calendar. Don't forget, visit the description section to access more resources that will be helpful to you or your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you visit calendar.google.com. So make sure you've already logged in your Gmail account, or you can also search. You could just search on Google Calendar. Then it's going to get you the link. It's going to get you this link, or maybe if the link is updated, it's going to get you the latest one, and you're going to come here. So don't forget, make sure you're already logged in your Gmail account. So you click on create at the top left. Then you click on event. So now we're going to put in the details. So let's just click on more options. It's going to open up this whole window. So we're going to have a bigger screen. So just click on more options. Okay, so I'm going to input the title here. I've written that out somewhere. Okay, so the title is week 6. Okay, so next level mentorship program. So this is the title. Then the date. Select the date. It's gonna be on a Tuesday. Select your time. Also the end time. It's gonna be a 2 hours event. Okay. So it's a single event. Do not repeat. So if yours is multiple days, you click on this drop down and select all day. Just play around with this feature. But this one is just a single event you're working on. So event details, find the time. We already have a time. So you could add Google Meet if you want to use Google Meet feature, but I'm not using Google Meet. So if you don't want to use Google Meet, you don't click on this, you leave it. You could also add location if you have a physical location. If you don't have, you could skip that. Now this is for notification. So notification means they're going to get notified via the Google Calendar app on their mobile device. Okay, or maybe if they turned on Google Calendar notification on their laptop, they're going to get notified. So I usually do 30 minutes. Okay, we could also do okay, so play around, come here, say days, notify after 1 day. Okay, add notification. So I could use hours for here. I'm going to change this one for an email. Let them send an email. Then I could scroll down, then click on add notification. This one around, I could do email again and say 1 hour to the time. So I'm going to change this to 1 hour. Okay, so what else? Click on add notification. I could do 7 hours. Change this to hours. Okay, that is enough. Okay, free. Click on free. Default. Okay. Default visibility is private. Okay, so next is description. I'm going to copy the description. Okay, so just leave this. So we are done with this side. Next, we're going to invite guests. So you simply input the email addresses you want to invite, and you can add as much as you want, provided Google doesn't stop you. Then you select. So it's very easy. So you select. So you've noticed Google Meet has been automatically generated. So I'm gonna cancel it. I don't want to use Google. We're using Telegram, and we've added the Telegram link, and we've added the Telegram call link in the description of this whole event setup. All right. So you can also decide to grant them permission to modify the event, invite others, or see guest lists. But for this one, we won't do any of that. All right. So once you're done with this, you click on save, and we're basically done. Okay. Then it's going to ask if you want to send emails to all the guests. So we approve and we say, yes, send. So that's it. So we're going to find it's on a Tuesday. Click here for the full month. Okay, so it's on a Tuesday. This is it. So it's in week 6. So this is the event. You can see week 6 content creation and video editing for entrepreneurs, next level mentorship program. So Tuesday, April 14th, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So you could also send the invite link if you want. So you can see we sent a total of 17 guests. Okay, so this is the description I spoke about. All right, so we'll just stop here. So to make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this, don't forget to visit the description section to access more resources to help you succeed in business. See you in our next video. Cheers.